Eleanor, what are you doing?
TV.
You want to see it? Let's check on Ellie. Ellie, what was that? What was that noise you were making? It's kind of dark in here. Ellie, were you screaming just now? But why? Finn, can you show me your jumping?
I see.
Okay, I want to see your jumping.
I see.
But when you jump, I'll take a picture of it and then we'll show it to you.
I see.
And now make that noise you were making. Gracious.